In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the best selling Redbubble product, how you guys can sell it, and I'll also be showing you 5 niches that you can actually work with in regards of this product. If you're ready for this video, please do drop a like, as that'll be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand stores. Now, if you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. We've actually helped a lot of people make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Down in the description, I also have a free print on demand starter guide which features all the information I used when I first started to get my first online sales. And if you are looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I've also got a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down in the description that's there to pretty much fast track you guys through print on demand success. So what is the best Redbubble product? Now, for whatever reason, if you don't know, it is stickers. Redbubble is mostly known for being a site that sells stickers. A lot of people have made money through stickers, including myself, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys as well. And as you can see, there's over hundreds of thousands of results when it comes to stickers through Redbubble. Now, if you jump on Redbubble and you go into the sticker section, you will see that they actually highlight that there's different style of stickers. For example, stickers for cars, helmet stickers, hydro flask stickers, and laptop stickers, as well as magnets, which falls under the same section. But if we go on all stickers, as you're going to see, it's actually showing us here 110,000 results. As you go through this, everything that shows on the first page are things that actually sell quite well, specifically with stickers. And if you set this by best selling, you will see which people are actually making money in regards of the stickers. And this also does give ideas in regards of different niches people can go into. I mean, you can see there's planets, there's a variation of different things. Some things may be copyrighted, so I wouldn't recommend, but in regards of stickers, you can still always make money with them as long as you're making sure that you jump into niches that are safe, which is something I'll be showing you in a moment. But it's important to take note of this front page, mainly because as you can see here, you are shown different kind of niches you can jump into in regards of stickers. I've changed it to best selling and it's now showing me 2.7 million results in regards to stickers, which if you ask me seems about right in comparison to the 100,000 we saw before. Nevertheless, stickers do well. If you're not already making stickers or setting them as your front image, especially if you don't have any sales, that's something you need to start doing now. Now, I know you guys may be thinking, okay, there's a lot of competition when it comes to stickers. How do I stand out? How do I actually put myself in good standing to make sure that I'm getting sales in comparison to other people? You can actually make sticker packs. I've made a full-blown video talking about sticker packs where I actually show you how to make them. If you want to check that video out, I'll link it down in the description so you can watch that after this one. And yeah, sticker packs will pretty much give you an advantage in niches where people are not using them. The niches that I've actually found for you guys are niches I didn't really see many sticker packs in, so you guys can actually then go on to jump into them and make your own sticker packs. Nevertheless, it's a good way to allow the customer to get value for money, because by doing this, a customer is getting more than one sticker for the price of one. I mean, just to give you context, so I've got some stickers here. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna bring it about here. So these are 2 separate stickers that I bought from 2 different shops. They were actually shops by you guys. And as you can see, I could peel this one off and I could peel this one and have 2 separate stickers. But in the same breath, we also have these stickers. So these are 2 separate stickers, but the difference here is that these are sticker packs. So here, even though that it's meant to be 1 sticker, I can peel off these 5 individual little plant pots and actually have 5 separate stickers. And with the butterflies, I could peel off each butterfly and I would have, if my maths is correct here, I would actually have 16 little butterfly stickers. Let's see if I can somewhat peel one off just so you guys can actually see how effective these are. So here I've just pulled off 1 sticker. So this is 1 little butterfly. I don't know if you guys can see that. I might just put it here for the rest of the video. Make sure you can see it and it doesn't look too weird. So yeah, just like that, we've got one little butterfly sticker, which is now on my hat. And if I wanted to, you know, I could peel off the rest of these. There's 11 more. And yeah, sticker packs pretty much allow the customer to get more for the price of one. And for those that don't know, sticker packs also increase the chances of you making more money because the customer is more likely to buy a bigger sticker size so they can have more bigger stickers. And for anyone who doesn't know what it looks like, so it looks like this. It's a bit bigger. And obviously when you buy them a bit bigger, the person who's selling that design makes a little bit more profit. So yeah, it's very important that you bear that information in mind. And I feel like this is one of the main reasons stickers are some of the best sellers when it comes to Redbubble. All right, okay, let's jump into some of these sticker niches that you guys can start making sticker packs in. Getting us straight into it, we've got niche one, which is addicted to reading stickers. Now, all of these searches are under stickers. The main reason I've done this is because the main search, so I've shown an example of this. So if you just searched addicted to reading, there's 976 results. But if you search for addicted to reading and you go on the sticker option, so you don't have to type stickers, you can just click on the sticker option. You can see there's 806 results. I'm only showing this mainly because so you understand that when you set a design to be on stickers, sometimes you have even less competition because not everyone activates stickers, which is very, very important to do. But nevertheless, this is the first niche. I feel like you could easily make a sticker pack with a couple little books in it, maybe a little notepad, things to do with reading, and you never know, you can end up getting yourself some easy sales here. I mean, the competition is very low. Moving us on to niche number 2, we have easily distracted by planets. Now, once again, this is under searching stickers. There's only 117 results, and boy, come on, like looking at some of these stickers, people haven't even tried here. Like when I'm looking at these stickers, a lot of them are blank, they're white, they've not even put an outline so you can see the shape. I mean, if you're gonna jump in this and put some planet-based stickers, you're pretty much in from some very, very easy sales. I don't know if you guys remember, but when I showed you the first page in regards of the best-selling stickers, the second sticker was of planets. Next up, we have niche 3, which is easily distracted by dinosaurs. Obviously, once again, falling under stickers with 177 results. I've actually mentioned this in another video, this dinosaur niche, but I'm seeing here there's still not a lot of people making sticker packs for this. The dino niche is very popular. Once again, on the best-selling stickers on Redbubble, there was some dinosaur stickers. So if you can maybe throw in some dinosaur stickers into this niche with obviously the keywords dino and dinosaur in your tags, you can most likely get yourself some sales and maybe in the future potentially get pushed to the first page as well. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can make better sticker packs in comparison to what I'm seeing under that niche. On to niche 4, we have Be a Pineapple. Now this has 1,284 results, a lot higher than some of the niches that I've showed you, but I've edited this in mainly because pineapple based niches usually tend to do quite well on Redbubble. Don't know why people like pineapple so much, but it's a thing. And I'm just supplying the information for you guys in the hopes that you can use it, apply it, and get yourself some sales. And then to finish us off with niche number 5, we have Pug Princess. Now, I was surprised with this one. I mean, I trademark checked it and everything. Turns out that it was okay. Obviously, if you're making a sticker pack for this one, it will be something that's pug based. So maybe little cute pug dogs. If you can get cartoon designs made of pugs, I'd recommend you guys do that. If you do want to, you know, make cartoon designs and you're not an artist, the sites like Fiverr where people can make it for you, and then you can just get that image, change the color slightly and put it into a sticker pack. If you don't have Fiverr, there's a link down in the description where you can join and do all that. Nevertheless, there's only 414 results here. Once again, next to no competition. There's one person that's pretty much tried to make a sticker pack, but it's somewhat attached. When you make sticker packs, you want to make sure that there's good spacing between them. I've made another video where I actually talk about the spacing and everything, so make sure to check that out. That'll be linked down in the description. But yeah, I think I'll end this video there, guys. pretty much wanted to talk a little bit more about stickers because people are still commenting, telling me that they're struggling to get sales, yet they're not trying to sell stickers or sticker packs. I hope that you guys can take this information I've given in the video and run with it, because there is money to be made here. If you've made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, comment down best seller, because at the end of the day, stickers are the best sellers. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.